Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to complete KYC verification and set up your account. In this guide, you'll learn how to navigate the platform, verify your identity, and ensure your account is fully ready for use. To begin, you'll wait as the platform loads, then enter your login details and click the Login button. Once you've logged in, a welcome prompt will display. Take a moment to review the message, as it may contain helpful information about your account. Next, you'll access the dashboard to view your account overview. From here, navigate to the Settings menu on the sidebar to continue with your setup. Within the Settings section, you'll review your profile information. If you'd like to manage payment options, select the Payment Link option from the sidebar to access the Payment Links page. The Payment Link interface will load, and you'll notice that no payment links are currently available. If you attempt to create a new payment link and encounter an error message about permissions, don't worry. This simply means you may need additional access. Close the error dialog to return to the payment link page and continue with your account setup. Next, you'll view the invoice section, where you'll see that no invoices are currently present. To unlock access to these features, navigate back to the Settings menu, where your profile information will display. Now, you're ready to begin entering your details on the KYC verification form. Enter your personal information carefully into the KYC verification form. Ensure that all inputted information are in sync with your provided BVN, as a verification code would also be sent to your BVN phone number to verify ownership of these information. Once all required fields are filled, click the Submit button to proceed. The platform will process your submission as it verifies your KYC details. When verification is complete, you'll see a confirmation that your KYC is verified. Finally, return to the dashboard to view your updated account overview. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your KYC verification and account setup. Your account is now ready to use, and you can explore additional features or manage your settings as needed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to revisit this guide at any time.